American dream, and welcome to Tampa, Florida. We're here in Ybor City, which is located northeast of downtown Tampa. Ybor City was once known as the cigar capital of the world at the turn of the 20th century. I'm your host, Brittany Wilson, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of America's oldest, family-owned, still operating cigar factory. Then we'll talk about the real estate, the nightlife, things to do, and so much more. I'm so excited. Let's go check it out. We're here at the J.C. Newman Cigar Factory. I'm here with Eric Newman, the president and third generation owner. Eric, thank you so much for being here today.
Welcome to our factory. This Tampa is the cigar city.
Absolutely.
And we are very welcome.
Thank you. So tell us a little bit about your background and how your family became the owners of the factory.
Well, my grandfather was born in Austria-Hungary in 1875. Came to America with his 4 brothers and 2 sisters in search of the American dream. They arrived in Cleveland in 1888. Couldn't speak English. His brothers became tailors. He didn't want to make clothes. So his mother paid a cigar maker $3 a month to teach her son how to make cigars. And when he was 20 years old, he started his own company, the J.C. Newman Cigar Company. And we came from Cleveland to Tampa in 1954. But what makes this a remarkable story is my grandfather started in 1895. There are 42,000 licensed cigar manufacturers in the United States. You know, those 42,000 cigar manufacturers from 1895 were the only one left.
Wow.
That's still owned and operated by the founding family. Tampa was the fine cigar capital of the world. One time had 150 cigar factories here, making 500 million handmade cigars a year. From 150 factories, we're still here. But here we make 12 million cigars here in Ybor City, which is today the last operating cigar factory, not only in Ybor City, not only in Tampa, but in the United States.
Tell us a little bit about what people can expect if they come to visit here.
This is my son's idea. We're up here in a hand cigar making factory here. A factory within a factory. We're making cigars. After the cigars are made, we send them down to the aging room for a year. They come back and they are banded, sell things, sorted out to the customers. And it's, I didn't want to do it. But my son had a different vision. He said he wanted to showcase Tampa, what made Tampa great, what made Tampa the cigar city.
Right.
So 4 or 5 years ago, we started with Lewis, 1 roller. Yenny joined him. Now we have 10 rollers here. In addition, as you'll see downstairs, so if you get there, on the 2nd floor, we're making cigars in antique cigar machines that my grandfather bought in the 1930s as a labor-saving devices. We've had over 20,000 visitors a year. We get 4 tours a day in this factory. We have cigar rolling classes, cigar tasting classes. People can order special cigars made with a special blend if they want to. But this is what makes Tampa special. Cigars of Tampa, like Mickey Mouse's to Orlando, like automobiles are to Detroit, like wine's Napa Valley. It's what makes Tampa special.
And there you have it, folks. Whether you're looking to book an event space, take a cigar making class, or have a cigar tasting class, there's something here for everyone. You can even book a tour. Make sure you check them out. We're here on the infamous 7th Avenue commercial strip right here in Ybor City. Most of these buildings and structures were constructed between 1886 and World War I. You may notice the Columbia restaurant right behind me, which is actually the oldest continuously operating restaurant right here in Ybor City. There's a ton of restaurants, bars, nightlife, things to do, and so much more. Just a couple of blocks off the 7th Avenue Strip stand some residential properties. A lot of these properties were built in as early as the 19th century and are still standing. What's cool about it though is a lot of them have been renovated, remediated, some of them torn down and rebuilt. But another cool thing is you can actually still buy one of these properties for an affordable price. Whether you're an experienced cigar smoker, a history buff like me, looking for nightlife, or simply looking for a new place to visit, Ybor City has something for everyone. I'm your host, Brittany Wilson. I'll see you next time on the American Dream TV.